Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cheese jar cake. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease jars while we measure ingredients. Start by crushing 200 G cookies for the base and mixing 50 G melted butter until sandy. Beat 250 G cream cheese with 80 G sugar, add 1 egg and 1 TSB vanilla, then fold in 60 ml sour cream for a silky texture. Spoon into jars and bake until set. Let the jars cool slightly before topping so the cakes firm up and stay intact. Use a water bath for gentle heat by placing jars in a tray filled with hot water to the jar shoulder. Bake for about 25-30 minutes until centers are just set and a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Chill jars for at least 3 hours or overnight to reach firm, sliceable texture and serve. Quick recommendation: if you love simple recipes, subscribe and like this video to support more guides. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipe ideas easy anywhere with adjustable light and long battery life. It's slim, waterproof, and stores thousands of cookbooks for travel or inspiration. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Top cooled cheese jar cakes with your favorite toppings to add flavor and texture. Try fruit compote, caramel drizzle, crushed nuts, or cookie crumbs for contrast. Whip 50 ml cream with 10 G sugar and pipe a rosette for a classic look, or dust with cocoa for a minimalist finish. Store jars sealed in the fridge for up to 5 days and bring to room temperature briefly before serving and enjoy with coffee or tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.